I just look around at this. I mean, I'm an anthropologist, and I'm interested in human behavior, and I look at the behavior, like literally the physical behavior of people with smartphones, and it looks antisocial and unhappy and anxious, and I don't want to look like that, and I don't want to feel like I think those people feel.
And if you guys really think about it, like, these apps that we have on our phones are actually designed to keep us on the app itself. So we constantly get notifications about something or someone liking our stuff. We have endless scrolling, so we never run out of content to look at. And there's always this reward thing that happens that really makes our brains happy with comments, likes, replies, all these things that actually make these apps very addicting. And if you also think about it, our thumbs are more powerful than our brain. I know that sounds really confusing, but let me explain again. So let's say, for example, you want to look at the time. So you don't have a watch, so you turn on your phone. Then you see a notification, so you swipe your phone open, and then you look at that notification. And then you realize, like, oh wait, I should check my email. So you look at your email, and then oh wait, you want to look through Facebook because someone said they posted a picture. And then they go on Instagram, and then Snapchat, and then on YouTube. And after 20 minutes, you realize, like, oh my God, I only wanted to look at the time and none of this other stuff. I have one thing to say about that. Screw what everyone has to say about that. Screw what your mom has to say. Screw what the news people have to say. Because while everyone thinks that social media is killing the human interaction, I'm gonna focus on the social aspect of this technology. It's very easy to mindlessly scroll on Instagram, but I'm gonna use the location finder on Instagram to go explore the city of Istanbul. The fastest way to go beyond the mindless scrolling of Instagram is using the Instagram's location tab as a Yelp function. Let me show you. It's easy to get overwhelmed by the amount of restaurants or not knowing what's good or what's bad. So you can go on Instagram search, hit places, and tap on the location nearest to you. Scroll through the public pictures until you see a picture of a food venue. Oh, this one looks cool. And nice, they actually added the name of the actual cafe. And this cafe has its own Instagram profile. So you start scrolling through the Instagram profile and you're like, oh wow, this place is pretty cute. And they have the directions, so now you know how to get there. So after 15 minutes walking, you're finally here, enjoying a nice warm cookie and an Americano. But maybe now you're feeling spontaneous and you want to explore a part of the city that you're not familiar with. Easy, just go on Instagram Places, click on any of these suggestions at random. Sweet, you've never been to the Blue Mosque, so you type that location onto Google and you're on your way. Now you decide to use the transportation card to take the ferry to the European side of Istanbul, and then 4 stops with the tram, and then you're finally to this place. Or you were told about a location to explore, but you're not sure if it's worth checking out. Easy, type that location onto Instagram search and scroll through some of the pictures. And then you notice finally that this place is actually cool and it's pretty nearby. So you take the tram and then the underground train, and then you walk out of the steps and you realize this place is more beautiful in real life than the Instagram pictures. And that, my friends, is how you use Instagram Places to break free from the mindless scrolling and actually explore. Yeah, so there you guys have it. I really apologize if the wind is really bad. I hope it's not. But yeah, the whole point of this video was to see the potential that Instagram has, but go a little step further and like kind of challenge what people talk about when it comes to how social media is affecting people's brains. Especially on Instagram, there's so much power in terms of being able to connect and find really cool things. And this experiment, this curiosity of mine was really interesting, mainly because it was an opportunity for me to talk to random people that I would have not talked to originally. It was an opportunity for me to walk down streets I wouldn't have walked down before. So there's a lot of upsides of just like picking a place on Instagram locations and just going for it. So I hope this inspired you guys. I really hope it did. I had a lot of fun doing it. I was really tired doing this, traveling everywhere, but it was definitely worth it. My hair is going crazy, but I wanted to end this with, guys, my YouTube channel is continuously growing at a faster and faster clip. I'm super grateful for everything, mainly because this is my 4th attempt on YouTube. So, yeah. I'm excited. I'm super blessed. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think about this. Until then, I'll see you guys in the next video.